Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I did the past week on the new WW plan, whether I lost or gained, then please stay tuned to this video. Also, it'll include a quick little recap of today's meeting and a delicious low point frozen treat at the end. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So it's Monday morning. I'm on my way to my meeting. Really tired today. I didn't sleep very well last night. I don't know why. I just kept getting up like 100 times last night, so I'm really super tired, but I know I have to go. Linda, I'm putting on my seatbelt. I told you, sometimes I do forget, but thank you for reminding me in the comments last Monday's video. So my seatbelt's on, my dear. So anyhow, how do I think I did this week? I think I did all right, but I actually did buy myself a scale. And when I stepped on it this morning, it shows that I'm up a little bit from last week. So we'll see what their scale says. But I do think maybe not a whole entire pound, maybe about a half a pound or 4 ounces, 6 ounces maybe. But yeah, I don't think I lost anything. I actually, like my face, I feel bloated. My stomach felt a little bloated the past 2 days. Maybe I had too much salt. I gotta get off the salt. That's another thing. I love anything salty. Salty snack is my way to go. And I put salt on everything. So I really need to get off the salt. I feel like the salt holds a lot of water in me. And I'm not on any type of medication for anything. As a matter of fact, I don't take any medication at all for like high blood pressure or anything like that. But yeah, so I don't know. I think it was a little too much salt this week. All right, guys, I'm about to walk in, so wish me luck. Okay, so I just left the meeting, and very surprisingly, I am down this week. I really didn't think I was going to be, but not down by much, but it's still a loss, 0.4. So where I thought I was really going to gain at least a pound or half a pound, I actually lost 0.4, which I think 2 weeks ago, I gained 0.4. So that's crazy. So it's basically staying the same. It's, you know, it's still considered in the loss column, but so far, since I started on the 19th, I believe, no, the 12th. I started back on Weight Watchers December 12th, so since the 12th, I'm down exactly 11 pounds. So I'll take it. And what the meeting was about today was setting yourself up for to be on the scale, like a routine. If you have a scale at home, stepping on the scale maybe once every morning, or at least going to a meeting. So it's setting yourself up to do the same exact thing either every day or every week as far as the scale is concerned. Because when you step on the scale, if you're fluctuating and you're up a little bit, then you might say to yourself, oh, I got to really be good today. I got to track everything today. I'm a little bit up. And then if you're down, you say to yourself, oh, what I've been doing the past couple of days or the past week is really working. I'm going to keep that up. So they want you to set some type of a scale goal for yourself. And basically habits, either before you weigh yourself, if you're weighing yourself at home, and also after. So if you're gonna step on the scale in the morning, then say, okay, right after I weigh myself, I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna take a quick walk around the block, I'm gonna drink a whole bottle of water. Make it a habit, make it a routine. But they also don't want you to let the scale define you. In my group this morning, there was a woman that came. She goes usually on a Wednesday night, I think, but she was there today. And she had brought up something nice. Now, she's been a Weight Watchers, she's been on Weight Watchers for 20 years. And she's a lifetime member, and she still goes to all her meetings. And she said her very first instructor at Weight Watchers 20 years ago told her that bad habits will visit, but they just cannot stay. So even if you're having an off week and say you indulged a little bit in something, or you had a wedding to go to, a party to go to, maybe you drank a little too much, just know that those bad habits, they can visit, because life happens. They just can't stay. So you can't make it a habit of doing the bad habits, in other words. So I thought that was very interesting. Also, the leader read this wonderful poem about the scale, and it was actually almost bringing tears to my eyes. She said she's going to print it out for me next week, but I'll look on the internet and see if I can find it, because I would really like to read it to you guys. It was just fabulous. And so if I can find that, I'll put that in. But yeah, I'm going to hit the store. I'm out of my arugula. I've been addicted to arugula. I eat it with almost every meal. I absolutely love it. And I just have to pick up a couple of things. But right after this, I'll put up my screenshot of the weight loss. Only 0.4, but I'll take it. I guess it's better than a gain. And I will show you how to make a 1-point delicious frozen dessert. So stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see on the chart, the weight, I started at 233 point something, and now I'm at 222.4. Now it shows since a minus of 8.3, but as you'll see in the next screen, they have me, when I went back on the 12th, as plus 2.7, because they were going way back from a year ago when I ended. So I should have just started at 233.4, and then if you minus 222.4, I'm down 11 pounds. Okay, so in my saucepan, I have 1 cup of the unsweetened almond milk, 0 points for 1 cup, and 1 cup of water, and I'm just going to bring that up till it's simmering. You don't want to boil it, you just want to bring it to a simmer. And then I have this reduced Swiss Miss reduced calorie hot chocolate mix, and I'm just going to be mixing in 2 packets. I'll give it a taste and see if it needs another one, but for right now I'm just going to do the 2. Each packet is 1 point. So this whole entire mixture is only 2 points, guys. I'm just going to get this mixed in really well. I don't mind if something is reduced calorie. I just don't like fat-free, you know, totally sugar-free. Although I do make sugar-free pudding, chocolate and vanilla, which I love. So that's like really the only thing I eat that's sugar-free. But this is reduced calorie, so not really sure what that means, but it's only 1 point per packet, so that makes me very happy. Now, let me see if this needs any more chocolate. Guys, it's so good. So the next thing we're going to do is I have some frozen strawberries here, just a couple that are 0 points that I let defrost, and I just chopped them up, and then a little bit of chopped banana. So we're going to put that into the hot chocolate mix. So now what I'm going to do, I will have the link in the description box below for this silicone ice pop thing. So I'm just going to scoop out some and pour it in each divider. Yeah, it gets a little messy. I need to buy myself a funnel. That's what I need. You want to make sure you get some fruit in every single one, as I'm making a mess here. If I had a funnel, it would be much easier. And you get quite a lot out of it, depending on how much you spill everywhere. Guys, these freeze up so nice, and they're absolutely delicious. And they're basically 2 for 1 point. So, a half a point each. Can't beat it. Really making a mess here. I'm sure you could do it a lot neater than I'm doing it. I would hope so, anyhow. So it's 2 points for 6. So actually 3 of them is a point. I'm going to have to try to get that off. Okay, so I got most of it cleaned off. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to pop the top on like this. And then we're going to put a stick in each one. And let the stick stick up about that much. Got chocolate all over my fingers. And I'm going to pop this in the freezer for about 6 to 8 hours. Need one more stick. This is what the kit looks like when you buy it. And it comes with the sticks as well. I got it from Amazon. I will have the link in the description box below. Because you are definitely going to want to make these. They are delicious, especially with that fruit in it. Very chocolatey. They freeze up beautiful. And 6 of them for 2 points. Like, you just can't beat it. So I'm going to freeze these, and when they're done being frozen, I'll pop one out and show you what it looks like. Oops. All right, guys. So they are frozen. I took the lid off, and I actually ran a little bit of warm water over here just to loosen it up. And then you just pop them out. And look at that, a beautiful hot chocolate. Well, now it's a cold chocolate ice pop with strawberries and bananas. You guys, they are so freaking good. And all of these are 3 points. So they're 2 for a point. The 2 packages of the hot chocolate milk mix, each 1 point. And the 1 cup of milk and then 1 cup of water. You stir it together, melt the powder in there on the stove, pour it into here, add some fruit. You don't even have to add fruit if you don't want to. And look at that, guys. Absolutely delicious. 2 of them for 1 point. Half a point each. And they're delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little treat. And thank you for tuning in. I'll see you all in the next video, which will probably be Wednesday. Either a what I eat in a day or a recipe. So stay tuned for that. If you're new here, please hit the notification bell. Please hit that subscription button. And yeah, go out and get yourself some of that Stop and Shop reduced calorie hot chocolate mix and make yourself some delicious ice pops. All right, everybody. Love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.